So how does the new, inexpensive Wyze sprinkler controller match up to the Rachio controller? I've been trying this out for about a month now, and I have some thoughts and a review to share with you today. Let's find out how it compares. The Wyze sprinkler is one of the latest additions from Wyze to their ecosystem of inexpensive smart home products. Having been dabbling with many of their products for the last couple of years, seeing a sprinkler controller added to their lineup naturally caught my attention. Installation is really easy. All you need is a screwdriver, maybe a pair of needle nose pliers, and if you're a little OCD like me, a level. The app very clearly guides you through the entire process, start to finish. Connecting the wires was easy because I already knew what colors corresponded to what zone. Wyze also includes stickers in the box to label your wires for future reference. You could also take a picture of how the wires are plugged into your old controller before you get started. Using the app is easy and fairly intuitive. There's minimal latency when starting zones from the app, both on and off Wi-Fi. I also didn't experience any issues with running automated schedules. Only a couple negative things to note. Although the app will tell you how much time is left on a cycle, it doesn't show you exactly which step of the cycle it's currently on. I also couldn't find anywhere in the app to adjust the duration of a soaking period. The biggest difference in the Wyze platform is some of the key features are tucked behind a subscription service. Now, I hate subscriptions. More often than not, I am not willing to pay monthly for stuff like this, especially when Wyze's paid features come for free with my Rachio system. But as far as a subscription goes, this one isn't all that bad. They do give you the first year for free, which is nice, and it's only $9.99 a year after the trial. That translates to less than $1 a month. So all things considered, I can tell you this controller was really easy to set up and use, and it definitely beats the old school dial controller. So if you're looking for a smart controller that doesn't break the bank, this is a great pick. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below so that you can check it out for yourself. So there you go. I hope that's a helpful review for you. Obviously, there's a major price gap between the two of these products, and the Wyze, as I mentioned, does offer a subscription, whereas the Rachio doesn't. So there's different pros and cons to weigh out there. I'll leave the decision up to you. Thank you for watching. If I missed anything, if there's anything else that you're curious to know about either of these products, please let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to answer that question for you and see what you guys think as well. So that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.